Good morning everyone. I am Ruchi Gaur of MSc Microbiology and today I am going to present on topic chromosomal mutation. Before chromosomal mutation, we need to briefly learn about mutation. Mutation is a process that produces a gene or chromosome that differs from the wild type. Mutation is any change in DNA sequence of a cell caused by mistake during cell division or maybe due to the exposure of DNA damaging agent in environment. The mutation may result due to the change either on the gene or the chromosome itself. Thus, broadly, mutation may be of two types: gene mutation and chromosome mutation. Gene mutation is where the allele of a gene changes, and chromosome mutation is where the segment of chromosome or whole chromosome or entire set of chromosome changes. Mutation may have harmful effects, beneficial effects, or have no effects. Mutation causing agents are called mutants and the process is called mutagenesis. Now we are going to study about history of mutation. In 1791, Seth Wright first discovered mutation in male lamb with unusual short legs. In 1900s, Hugo de Vries coined the term mutation for the first time. In 1910, Morgan analyzed white eye mutation of Drosophila. And in 1927, H.J. Muller induced mutation in Drosophila by using X-rays. He was awarded with Nobel Prize in 1946. Now we are going to talk about types of mutation. There are various schemes for classification of different kinds of mutation depending upon first, the type of cell involved. On basis of this type, there are two types of mutation: somatic mutation and germinal mutation. Mutation that are in the somatic tissues or somatic cell of the body are called somatic mutations. These mutations are not transmitted to progeny and they occur in non-reproductive cells. Example, epithelial cells and red blood cells. Germinal mutation. Mutations that are in germ tissue or germ cell of the body are called germinal mutations. These mutations may be transmitted to progeny and the change first takes place in the reproductive cells. Example, sperm and egg cells. The next type is type mode of origin. The next type is mode of origin. On basis of this type, there are also two types of mutations. First one is spontaneous mutation and the second one is induced mutation. The spontaneous mutation occurs suddenly in the nature and their origin is unknown. They are also called background mutation and have been reported in many organisms such as Ornithera, maize, Drosophila, mice, man, etc. Induced mutations. The mutation can be induced artificially in the living organism by exposing them to abnormal environments such as radiation, certain physical conditions, and chemical conditions. The third type is direction of mutation. On basis of this type, there are three types of mutation: forward mutation, reverse or back mutation, and the third one is suppressor mutation. When mutation create a change from wild type to abnormal type, it is called forward mutation. Most mutations are of forward type. Reverse mutation. The forward mutation are often corrected by error correcting mechanism so that an abnormal phenotype changes into wild type phenotype. This is also of two types: true back and equivalent reverse. The third is suppressor mutation and they occur at different locations in the gene. Now we are going to talk about chromosome mutation. The change in the genome involving chromosome parts, whole chromosome or whole chromosome set are called chromosome aberration or chromosome mutation. Chromosome mutation is change in structure or arrangement of chromosome. Mutation can also occur spontaneously, example crossbreeding. Chromosomal mutation have proved to be great significance in applied biology such as agriculture, animal husbandry and medicines. Now we are going to talk about types of chromosome mutation. It is broadly divided into two categories. The first one is structural changes in chromosome. It is further divided into two categories. The first one is change in number of genes and the second one is change in gene arrangement. Deletion and duplication come under the first category, change in number of genes. Deletion involves loss of a broken part of chromosome and duplication involves addition of a part of chromosome. In deletion, the segment of chromosome separates and is lost. The affected chromosome loses certain genes and becomes shorter than normal. In duplication, a fragment of chromosomes joins a homologous chromosome. The additional region of genes may be incorporated within the chromosome or at one end of chromosome or become attached to another chromosome. Inversion and translocation come under the second category, change in gene arrangement. Inversion. Here, reversal of chromosome segment occurs. A segment of chromosome separates and rejoins it in an inverted position. It changes the sequence of nitrogenous bases in the chromosome. It occurs when the region of chromosome breaks off and rotates through 180 degree before rejoining the chromosome. Translocation. A segment of chromosome breaks off and joins a non-homologous chromosome. Both affected chromosomes get modified. The donor suffers deletion and becomes shorter than normal, and the recipient has an extra set of genes and become longer than normal. The next category is change in number of chromosomes. Here, the chromosome number changes and is also divided into two subcategories. The first one is euploidy and the second is aneuploidy. Euploidy involves loss or gain of whole chromosome set. Eu means even and ploid means unit. Euploid designated genome contain chromosomes that are multiple of some basic number. They contain balanced set of chromosome or chromosome in any number. They are further divided into three: monoploidy, diploidy, and polyploidy. Number of chromosome in basic sets are called monoploid. If there are more than two, then they are called polyploidy. And if there are only two sets, then they are called diploidy. The next category is aneuploidy. Aneuploidy is chromosomal mutation which results in variation of individual chromosome number within a set. Loss or gain of a part of chromosome set occurs. It refers to condition in which one or few chromosomes are added or deleted from normal chromosome. It is also divided into two categories: hypoploidy and hyperploidy. Hypoploidy means deletion and hyperploidy means addition. Hyperploidy is further divided into two subcategories: monosomy and nullisomy. Monosomy is 2n minus 1, which means loss of single chromosome of homologous pair. Nullisomy is 2n minus 2, which means the loss of both chromosome of homologous pair. It may be lethal. Hyperploidy is also divided into two subcategories: trisomy and tetrasomy. Trisomy is 2n plus 1, which means gain of extra chromosome, and tetrasomy is 2n plus 2, which means gain of two extra chromosomes. Thank you for listening.